This is going to be an easy tutorial of how to get your student number from UNISA. So in the browser, you're going to type UNISA forgot student number, exactly like this, and click on the first one that comes up that would have the UNISA logo. Make sure you don't click on the one that doesn't have a UNISA logo. Now this is the important part. If it gets to this point, you need to fill in the details as you had filled them in when you were applying. If you have applied and used a different surname, maybe your maiden surname or things like that, you need to put that exact surname. If you had applied with only one name and not both of your names, you need to put exactly that. It's going to need your names, it's going to need your surname, it's going to need your ID number, it's going to need your date of birth, and it's also, if you don't have an ID number, it's going to ask for your foreign, maybe passport number. Then you have to put that in. Please make sure that it is exactly as you had filled it in. So once you've done that, you would get your student number. Okay, I hope this video is going to be helpful to somebody who's either starting their UNISA application or is returning to upload their documents or want to check their status. A lot of mistakes that people are making when doing their applications in any university is not to read every single instruction that's there. If you pause to read, you will be able to find everything. So this is if you're beginning the application. This is simple on the UNISA site. I came started from the beginning. So when you get to the UNISA site from saying UNISA Applications 2025, you're gonna get here. Then you hit apply. Then you come to the site. This site is you want to apply for undergraduate, but should you then, let's go back, should you then want to, you've already applied but you want to upload your documents, right? If you've applied and you want to upload your documents, then you click here, upload your documents. If you want to check, okay, I don't know what, can you see how simple and how all are in one space, one page? You just need to look and see, okay, this is where I'm uploading my documents. This is how I upload my documents. You put your new applications who have not received their student numbers yet only need to complete the other mandatory field. So if you are stuck on saying, oh, I haven't gotten my student number but I finished, what should I do now? There it is. They've told you. If you haven't gotten your application, fill the other information, and I bet you filling the other information is going to take you to a page where you would see your student number. So I hope I won't have to repeat this again, because a lot of people are stuck on, I don't know my student number. They didn't give me my student number. I don't know how to upload the documents. I don't know what my status is. All of that is in the one page. Okay, so you fill in your documents details on that other page, and then here you select, are you currently in your grade 12 year or have you completed grade 12? This one is simple, you guys. The step is simple. Then you are now here to the step. I know a lot of people come to UNISA because they want to do what is this, education. So I'll just go through this so that I don't bore you so much. Okay, I feel like I have to make a video about this because I've gotten quite a few comments on my other video about this. Leave a space between initials if your first name can also be a surname. Huh? Oh, I see what they mean. All right, so on your initials, on the initials, if you've got 3 names on the initials, right? H maybe, and you've got Gertrude, and maybe you've got Primrose, then you put like this on your initials. Just, I don't put the surname on initials. Surname not required. So don't put the surname on the initials, because it's gonna pick up what you wrote here on first name. It should make sense on what you put here. Okay, you're still with me. This is the next step. Then these are the simple questions, and just like that, guess what, you are done. So there shouldn't be anywhere where you get stuck, especially in UNISA application. It's really very simple. And then you upload the documents. Then you are done. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys is the application for IDC bursaries. Guys, we are still on the bursaries, as I promised that I'll show you some bursaries also. Let us not sleep on the bursaries. This is, if you've been saying you want to do a postgrad and which postgrad bursary funds for law degrees, this one is it.